Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a minus 3 to the power of 4 equals to 81, and we solve this problem for the values of a. So here you remember one thing is that this is fourth order equation. It means that this equation has 4 roots. So here we need to find all that fourth roots of this equation. So the very first step we are going to do is here first we need to focus in the right hand side, and in the right hand side we have 81 and we write it as a minus 3 to the power of 4 equals to we write 81 as 3 to the power of 4. Okay. After that here we need to move this 3 to the power of 4 from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as, sorry, this is our a. So it will be written as a minus 3 to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4 equals to 0. So after this step we need to rewrite this equation as in this form. So first we write this a minus 3 to the power of 4 as a minus 3 to the power of 2 and its whole square, minus we write this term as 3 square and its whole square, and this whole equation equals to 0. So further you see here we need the nice algebraic formula. You know that if we have x square minus y square, it is equals to x minus y times of x plus y. So according to this, you see here we have the value of x is a minus 3 whole square and the value of y is 3 square. So we need to substitute the value of x and y in the right hand side of this formula, and we get the output of the above equation as, first we write the factor x minus y. So we have the value of x is a minus 3 whole square and minus the value of y is 3 square. And now we write the second factor. So the second factor we have x plus y. The value of x is a minus 3 whole square plus the value of y is 3 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now in the next step here we need to divide this equation into the two cases. So that our first case is we write a minus 3 whole square minus 3 square equals to 0, and the second case is we write a minus 3 whole square plus 3 square equals to 0. So now we first call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. So now in order to find the four roots of the given equation, we need to solve these two equations simultaneously. So here first we need to focus on equation number 1, so that from equation number 1 we have, this is our equation number 1, and now here we need to use this algebraic formula here, so that we can apply this formula on the equation number 1, so that our equation number 1 is written as in this form. So here we have the value of x is a minus 3, the value of y is 3. So first we write the first factor, that is x minus y. The value of x is a minus 3 and minus the value of y is 3 into again we have the value of x is a minus 3 and plus the value of y is 3, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here we need more simplifications, and we write it as this factor will becomes a minus 6 into this factor. Here you see that this 3 and 3 are cancelled by each other, and we get this a equals to 0. So here we just break this into two cases. So again we have a minus 6 equals to 0, and we have other factor is a equals to 0. So here you easily get the first factor of the given equation is a equals to 6. This is the first factor of the given equation, and that is the real factor. Similarly, a equals to 0 be the second factor of the given equation. So here we find two factors, but here we need more two factors. For this we need to solve this equation number 2, so that here equation number 2 is implies that we copy down the equation number 2 here. A minus 3 square plus 3 square equals to 0. Now we need to convert this equation into the quadratic form, so that here we need to apply this nice formula. If you have x minus y whole square, it is equals to x square minus 2 times of xy plus y square. So here we need this formula on the first term only, so that our first term should be written as in this form. Now here our x, the value of x is a, the value of y is 3. So we need to put these values in the right hand side, and it will be written as a square minus 2 times of xy. So here our x is a and y is 3 plus y square. So y is 3 square, and this is our 3 square. So this 3 square equals to 9, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now further in the next step we have this is a square minus this is 3 times of 2 becomes 6a plus this 3 square equals to 9, and this is also 9, and this whole equals to 0. And now in the next step we have here you have a square minus 6a and plus this is 9 plus 9 becomes 18 equals to 0. So this equation will becomes quadratic in a variable, so that now we can use a quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are capital A is equals to 1, capital B is equals to minus 6, and capital C equals to 18. And quadratic formula is stated as a equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is the our quadratic formula, and now here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c here, and it will be written as a equals to minus b. The value of b is minus 6, so this minus times of minus becomes plus 6, and plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 6, and minus 6 square equals to 36 minus 4 times of AC. Here our A is 1 and C is 18, and 4 times of 18 equals to 72, and it is divided by 2 times of A. The value of A is equals to 2. So further we need more simplifications, and now we rewrite it as a equals to 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus 72 equals to minus 36, and it is divided by 2. Here we need to separate the square root on both of these terms, and it will be written as 6 plus minus square root of 36 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So here we have a equals to 6 plus minus, we know that square root of 36 equals to 6, and the square root of minus 1 equals to iota divided by 2. So here we need to break the fraction, and it will be written as a equals to 6 over 2 plus minus 6 over 2 iota. So finally we get the other roots of the given equation are 3 plus minus 3 iota. This is 2 times of 3 becomes 6, this is 2 times of 3 becomes 6. So finally we have the other two complex roots are 3 plus minus 3 iota, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.